Hi, Rockville Center students and teachers. It's Laura Collin with another technology tip that will hopefully help you out. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sure you're logged into one Google account on your iPad. Because if you start logging into multiple accounts on your iPad, sometimes you wind up being logged into one account, say on Classroom, and another account, say on Google Drive, and then it really confuses Google and you can't attach. You wind up having getting errors that you can view only, or oops, or it can be quite the mess. So I'm going to help you straighten it out. On this one, I'm going to show you first how to check what account you're logged in as, and then I'm going to show you how to log out of everything. So it's a little different on each of the apps. On Google Classroom, which I'm going to go into right here, I've been saying Google so much that it's starting to sound weird to me. You see the icon up here? This is a profile icon up here. Yours might have an initial on it unless you've changed your name. A little fun fact, if you go in here and go to manage your account, you can update your photo. You could change your profile photo, but that's not the point of this video. So up here, if I tap on my profile, I will see that I'm logged into Google Classroom with laurac.student@rvcschools.org. But somewhere on this iPad, I may be logged into lauracollin@rvcschools.org or lauracollin.student@rvcschools. These are demo accounts that I have for myself so I could play around. So this could create a problem for me because I might be logged into any of these accounts in any of the apps. Now that's how you find it in Google Classroom. Let's say you're in Google Drive. If you go to Google Drive, you will also see in the upper right corner, you will see the profile icon, same thing. Now, let's show you in one of the tools. So let's say I go into Docs. See what I did? I put all my Google stuff in one folder. I keep forgetting I did that. I go into Docs. Now in Docs, you don't see it up here, right? It's a little hidden. You have to go to this little hamburger menu, which some people call it. If I go to the hamburger menu, I will see that I'm logged in as lauracollin.student@rvcschools.org, but these two are also like kind of on deck, which can create problems. So you saw when I tapped on that icon in Google Classroom, well, let's do it this way. When you're in Drive, to get to where you need to go, you tap on this drop down. Now, you'll see manage your account. That's where I showed you in Google Classroom, where you can change your profile picture and a couple of other preferences. You have your accounts you're signed in as. You have add another account, which obviously you don't want to do. Just don't do that at all anymore. What you want to do is manage your account. And even if you want to switch between accounts, which is not advisable, please don't log into any other accounts. But even on your personal account, if you ever wanted a personal device, if you ever wanted to log in, what you want to do is go to manage accounts on this device and remove everything. So I'm going to remove this guy. So I tap the remove from this device button down here, and then I'm going to tap remove. I'm going to remove this guy. And I'm even going to remove this guy. I'm going to start over. And you're removing these completely from the iPad. So all of the Google accounts should be good to go. If you want to be really thorough, you could go into Classroom, and it's asking me to sign in. Awesome. You could go into Drive, and it's asking me to sign in. So it should work. If you want it to be really thorough, you could. So let's go back to Classroom, and you'll sign in with your account there. So that is what you should do to make sure you are not logged into any other accounts in any of the Google apps on your iPad. Okay? But what I would do is, I would go into all the apps. Go into all the apps just in case something is hanging on to one of an account. So go into all the apps to make sure you're logged in. You're not logged into anything in Google. Okay? Hope this tip was helpful. See you later.